Good morning, students. Now we are going to see exercise 3.14. Already I told you to memorize some formulas. I believe you. I think you memorized the formula. Okay, now first sum in exercise 3.14. Write each of the following expression in the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So there are 4 questions. So each and every question you are going to change into alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, now first one. The first question is alpha divided by 3 beta plus beta divided by 3 alpha. So normally this is the question. So you should make the denominator same so that C in both terms the denominator we can find 3. So write the 3 as it is. So beta and alpha, these two are different. So we are going to cross multiply this. So alpha into alpha becomes alpha square. Beta into beta becomes beta square. If you cross multiply, you need to multiply this alpha as well as this beta. It becomes alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square divided by 3 alpha beta will get. Okay, but we need to change as alpha plus beta alpha beta, but here it comes alpha square plus beta square. So you should use the formula here. So alpha square plus beta square formula is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by, write the 3 alpha beta as it is. So now see, this is the final answer. In this alpha plus beta we are having, here alpha beta we are having, so in denominator also alpha beta we are having. So we wrote that means we completed this, we wrote this in the form of alpha plus beta alpha beta. The same way we have to do all the sums. So we will move to second sum. So second one, the question is 1 divided by alpha square beta plus 1 divided by beta square alpha. You should make the denominator same. So nothing but cross multiplication. So alpha square beta and beta square alpha. So LCM is nothing but, we know that the highest degree. LCM is nothing but highest degree. So alpha square alpha. In this alpha square is the highest degree. So the denominator, that means LCM is alpha square. So and then beta square. In this highest power is beta square. So LCM is beta square. So alpha square beta square is LCM of both terms. Okay. So as usual, you should make the denominator same. So alpha square beta square, but here alpha square beta alone. So one more beta we need. So we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by beta. So if you multiply that, you will get beta, and this plus comes here, and then here beta square alpha square beta. So we need one more alpha, so we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by alpha. So here you will get alpha. So beta plus alpha, we can rewrite it as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta the whole square. So alpha square beta square is, we are taking the square commonly outside, and we can write it as alpha beta the whole square. Now we complete it and we changed it as in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Next, third sum. The question is 3 alpha minus 1 into 3 beta minus 1. So normal multiplication. So 3 alpha into 3 beta becomes 9 alpha beta. So 3 alpha into minus 1 becomes minus 3 alpha. So minus 1 into 3 beta becomes minus 3 beta, and minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. So which is equal to 9 alpha beta minus, so minus 3 is common for both terms. So we can take minus 3 commonly outside. If you take minus 3 commonly outside, remaining you will have alpha and beta. So minus you taken outside, so it becomes plus. So minus 3 into alpha plus beta plus 1. So here we change it in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So that's it. So then fourth one, continuously we can see. The question is alpha plus 3 divided by beta plus beta plus 3 divided by alpha. So we need to make the denominator same. So cross multiplication. So you have to multiply this alpha with alpha plus 3 and this beta with beta plus 3. So alpha into alpha plus 3 plus beta into beta plus 3 divided by alpha beta. So if you multiply this alpha into alpha becomes alpha square. So alpha into 3 becomes 3 alpha, and then beta into beta becomes beta square, and beta into 3 becomes 3 beta divided by alpha beta. So now rearrange the terms. So alpha square plus beta square plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta divided by alpha beta. So nothing but we rearranged the terms. Already we know that alpha square plus beta square formula is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and so previous sum we had seen that minus 3 alpha minus 3 beta, here we written as minus 3 alpha plus beta. The same way, instead of minus they given plus here. So plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta, take this 3 commonly outside, we will get alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So here we change it in the form of alpha plus beta alpha beta. Next one, second question. So the roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, the quadratic equation given, or alpha and beta. For this quadratic equation, alpha and beta are the roots. So without solving the roots, find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So first question, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is very easy to do. So try this sum as a homework. So we'll move to second one. So before moving to second one, we need to solve this quadratic equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this alpha plus beta, we need to find out what is alpha plus beta. So already we had seen sum of the roots, product of the roots. So sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So the same we are going to follow here. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 5. We are going to substitute these values. So minus b, minus of b value is minus 7 and divided by a is nothing but 2. So minus into minus becomes plus, so it is 7 by 2. Alpha beta, product of roots, is nothing but the formula is c by a. C value is 5 and a value is 2. So alpha beta is 5 by 2. So alpha plus beta is 7 by 2, alpha beta is 5 by 2. We are going to substitute these two values in this and we need to find the value of that. So second one, the question is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So cross multiplication, alpha into alpha, alpha square, and beta into beta, beta square. So alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta. If you make the denominator same, it becomes alpha beta. So already we know that alpha square plus beta square formula is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. So now we change it in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now we are going to substitute alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value. So alpha plus beta value is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square, and put this minus and then 2. Instead of alpha beta we are going to substitute 5 by 2. So whole divided by alpha beta value is nothing but 5 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4 minus, so 2 5s are 10. So here 2 5s are 10. Even you can cancel that 2 and 2. So you can cancel this 2 and 2 and you should write it as 5. But again you need to multiply by 4. That's why I multiplied that 2 and 5. So 2 5s are 10. 10 divided by 2. And denominator divided by 5 by 2. We should make the denominator same. So 49 by 4 minus, so 10 by 2 becomes 20 by 4. So we are making the denominator 2 as 4. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So it becomes 2 10s are 20 divided by 5 by 2. So 49 minus 20 divided by 4 into, if the fraction goes to numerator, it becomes reciprocal. So 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. So cancel this 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. So 49 minus 20 is 29 and 2 5s are 10. So the value for this roots, for alpha divided by beta plus beta divided by alpha, for this quadratic equation, the answer will be 29 by 10. Next, last one. So alpha plus 2 divided by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 divided by alpha plus 2. So cross multiplication to make the denominator same. So if you multiply this, we will get alpha plus 2 the whole square plus beta plus 2 the whole square divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. So a plus b whole square formula you need to apply here. So if you apply that formula, you will get alpha square plus 4 alpha plus 4, the same alpha plus b, sorry, a plus b whole square formula. If you apply that, you will get beta square plus 4 beta plus 4. If you multiply the denominator separately, alpha into beta becomes alpha beta. So alpha into 2 becomes 2 alpha. So 2 into beta is 2 beta and 2 2s are 4. So here you need to make same alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So you have to rearrange that. Alpha square plus beta square plus 4 alpha plus 4 beta plus 8 whole divided by alpha beta. So here denominator 2 alpha plus 2 beta, we are taking 2 commonly outside. So if you take the 2 commonly outside, we will get 2 into alpha plus beta and plus 4. So now we are going to apply the formula for this alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 4. Take 4 commonly outside. It becomes 4 into alpha plus beta plus 8. Divided by alpha beta plus 2 into alpha plus beta plus 4. So we are going to apply the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 the whole square minus, so alpha beta is 5 by 2, so 2 into 5 by 2 plus 4 into alpha plus beta is 7 by 2, so 4 into 7 by 2 plus 8 divided by, so alpha beta is 5 by 2 plus 2 into alpha plus beta is 7 by 2 plus 4. So 5 by 2 plus 2 into 7 by 2 plus 4. And 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4 minus 5 plus 14 plus 8 divided by 5 by 2 plus 7 plus 4. So write this 49 by 4 as it is, minus 5 plus 14 plus 8 becomes plus 17. And 5 by 2 write as it is, 7 plus 4 is 11. So make the denominator same, cross multiplication. So 4 7s are 68. So 49 plus 68 divided by 4. Here 2 11s are 22. So 5 plus 22 divided by 2. So 49 plus 68 is 117 divided by 4. Take this fraction to the numerator. It becomes reciprocal. So 2 divided by 5 plus 22 is 27. So cancel this 2 and 4. So 2 2s are 4. So 117 and 2 into 27 is 54.